This New Mexico pizza is topped with roasted New Mexico chili pesto, goat cheese, prosciutto, arugula, honey, and toasted pecans. Give it a try and it might become your new favorite pizza. The first thing I'll do is prepare the sauce for the pizza. Here, I have 2 cups of diced New Mexico chili, which I bought frozen and thawed out. Add those to a blender along with some basil leaves, pecorino romano, toasted pecans, and garlic. Add extra virgin olive oil and blend all the ingredients until smooth. This sauce is so good, and you could certainly serve it as a dip, as a spread in a sandwich, or even as a pasta sauce. First, preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit with a pizza stone. Here I have pizza dough that's stretched to a 12-inch round. Working quickly, spread the chili pesto on the dough, leaving about 1 inch around the edge uncovered. Crumble some goat cheese over the top. Quickly slide the pizza onto the heated pizza stone and into the 425-degree oven. When the pizza is done, we'll add our garnishes. Drape with thinly sliced prosciutto, then top with arugula leaves, toasted New Mexico pecans, a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, and a drizzle of honey. The beautiful green, garlicky chili pesto, the salty and savory prosciutto, peppery arugula, and crunch of pecans makes for a fabulous combination of flavors on this pizza.